University of Cebu, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies. I graduated also my Masters of Education at CNU, Cebu Normal University, year 2014. I am local LSP, Local Scholarship Program Master's Degree Course Scholar of Civil Service Commission. So I was able to get my master's degree under a scholarship from the government. One of the things that I achieved was I was the best thesis in CTE last 2014.
Char.
I graduated 1998. So I have 15 years of teaching experience, 5 years from different institutions, most of which are all exclusive schools like Mary Ernestine School, Royal Oaks International School, and many other international schools. Then I went to public service last 2005. So right now, I am already in my 10th year of service on public school. I'm planning to pick up my doctoral degree by next year. Right now I'm teaching grade 7 social studies sa Radyo Palinunan, focuses on Asian history.